who represents workers in disputes with employers. In recent news, the question of who represents workers in disputes with employers is gaining attention. As labor laws evolve, many people are searching for clarity on this important topic. Workers often find themselves in challenging situations with their employers, especially regarding wages, benefits, and working conditions. Understanding representation in these disputes is essential for anyone navigating the workforce today. Typically, workers are represented by unions in these disputes. Unions are organizations dedicated to advocating for workers' rights and interests. They negotiate better wages, benefits, and working conditions through a process known as collective bargaining. This process begins with organizing workers who share common interests. To form a union, workers must show majority support. This is usually done by signing authorization cards or voting in a secret ballot election. The National Labor Relations Board supervises these elections. When a majority of workers vote to unionize, the board certifies the union as their exclusive bargaining representative. This certification legally obligates the employer to engage in collective bargaining with the union. Unions play a vital role in representing workers during disputes. They negotiate contracts that protect workers' rights and address various issues. If disputes arise, unions can take action, including strikes or filing grievances, to resolve these matters on behalf of their members. The National Labor Relations Act provides the legal framework for union activities in the private sector. This act allows workers to form unions and engage in collective bargaining. However, federal employees have different rights under the Civil Service Reform Act. This act limits their bargaining scope to conditions of employment and prohibits strikes. Despite these protections, challenges exist for workers and unions. Employers may resist unionization efforts by challenging the union's majority status or refusing to bargain. Such actions can lead to lengthy legal battles. Additionally, federal workers face limited bargaining rights compared to private sector workers, affecting their negotiation power. As labor disputes continue to rise, understanding who represents workers is more important than ever. Knowing your rights and the role of unions can make a significant difference in navigating workplace challenges. Whether you are a union member or considering joining one, being informed is key to advocating for your rights effectively.